Hello, new YouTube content creators and channel starters. Welcome to the Alma community. Today's show, I want to talk to y'all about the negativity and all of the mental trauma it seems like you may be going through while you're trying to create this content. We're going to look at the pros and cons that I have found because I myself am a new YouTube channel starter and content creator. The first thing is it's going to be a pro. The pro is that I know that whenever I put a video on, and if I get probably about 100 views, I have to say to myself that I don't even know 100 people, 200 people, or maybe 500 people. So that means that there are 100 people that have heard my voice. They have heard what I've had to say. Now, the consequence about that content creation and getting those views, you're in competition with large channels. These channels got millions of subscribers. They've been on YouTube 7, 8, 9, some of them even 10 years. They've got the money to hire staff, whereas individuals like yourself and we don't have that. We don't have the fund. We haven't even reached monetization. The second thing that is a pro, it's a good experience. I myself, I love to get in front of this microphone and in front of this camera and these lights and say the things that I have to say to America and to people abroad all over social media. It makes me feel good about myself. And the same it should do to you. It should make you feel good. Now, I know that monetization is ideal. I know it. But some of us are out here doing it for fun. Now, there are consequences, once again. The consequence is that a lot of times we get on here and we post videos, and these videos are well thought out. We've poured our hearts and our minds into the content that we are presenting to the public. At the end of all of that work, the creation, the editing, and all of the other things associated, you may get maybe 150 views. Well, at the same time, you've got others out here that seem to have put in far less effort, but getting far more successful results. And you can't understand it. Hell, I don't even understand it myself. But at the same time, I had to think to myself is that I'm brand new to this game. I'm learning how to play this game. And a lot of the materials that I have used or that I am using, I don't even know how to work my equipment all well the same. So to get just any views, you know what I'm saying, is really amazing to me. But back to this point that I'm talking about, people who are getting these views, and it seems like they are less deserving because they put in less effort. I'm gonna share something with you, and it's probably gonna make you laugh, and then at the same time, you're gonna know that this is real talk. I was watching a video one day, and I just came across my feed, and I clicked on it. There was a young lady. She came into a room, and she turned on some music. She dimmed the lights down kind of low. The next thing I know, she took off the coat that she was wearing. Beneath that coat, she was only wearing a pair of what seemed to be panties and a bra. In that whole video, that young lady may have said 5 words that made sense. 5 words that were articulate. But the funny part is that I looked down at the view section. That young lady had over 10 million views. You see, what I have learned is that a lot of times people are not, it's as if they don't want to be helped. But Just as soon as some young lady comes on the YouTube channel, and the next thing you know, she's damn near naked. Everybody in America seems like they want to pay attention to that. Now, what we got to do is operate like a guild. I'm not talking about a guild, whereas we start some type of organization. I'm talking about a guild to whereas we use a synergistic approach to take care of each other. I'm an HVAC mechanic. And a lot of business that a lot of construction workers get is because of synergy. They watch each other back. They have built a guild. They would suggest the labors of somebody else. And in turn, that somebody else promote the business of the individual that gave them the recommendation. We've got to do that as YouTube content creators in small channels. Take this for instance. If I were to post a video, and before I posted the video, I looked down, I looked all through YouTube and found a brand new content creator. And I'm talking about a particular subject on my post. If I were to just mention that content creator and the video that he posted, perhaps some of the people that watch my video just may go and view the video of that new content creator. And at the same time, that content creator did the same for me or anybody else. This way, we can generate the type of subscribers and the type of views that we're so desiring of having. Not only are we content creators, but if you like me, you're a YouTuber yourself. What we need to start doing is going down and looking at the channel that of the videos that we'll watch when we're not posting content ourselves. We need to go down there and look to see how big the channel is first. Then we need to look to see how many views how many subscribers that channel has. Then at the same time, go back and find a small YouTuber. And if he's presenting the same information that you're looking for, watch the video of that small YouTuber. You see, small channels have got to start supporting small channels. Now, I hope that this made sense to you all. And I hope that you all will have the greatest of luck in your endeavors. At the same time, I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all of the small content creators that you know of. And perhaps we can make a better change. Thank you.